What's it like to find vegan food in Dubai? Flexi, veggie, vegan, whatever. Plants are a great way to fuel your trip. So getting plants on the go is one of our main challenges when we're out and about. Right now we're in Dubai and we're going to see what vegan food we can find. It's not traditionally a city that you would associate with vegan food. You might be more likely to think of places like London, Los Angeles or Addis Ababa. But Dubai does have some tasty vegan spots and we have done our best to hunt them out. Our favourite part of Levantine cuisine has got to be meze. Things like hummus, tabbouleh, gorgeous flatbreads, baba ganoush, things with incredibly exotic names and gorgeous, gorgeous flavours. Dubai has embraced Western culture and you'll find loads of familiar restaurants here. But how does it measure up when it comes to vegan food? The reason that we eat vegan is to try and embrace, celebrate and encourage sustainability in food. So we're going to stop in Dubai's Expo 2020 exhibition to learn more about sustainability and innovation and what the future may hold for us all on planet Earth.
So here is the world's largest building, the Burj Khalifa. And over here is the world's largest mall, the Dubai Mall. And right there is the Time Out Market, which is a wonderful food hall. They've got fantastic little spots to eat, but we're going to go and see one specifically, Little Earth. We're going to make a jackfruit shawarma. This is Wild and Moon. It's only a 5-minute walk away from the Burj Khalifa. The vibe of the place is wicked. It's really similar to the Butcher's Daughter in LA. And the food is fantastic. I went for the pancakes. I've got orange blossom, maple syrup, ground pistachios. Henry's got this fantastic bowl. Check that out. Look at that. Granola with blue spirulina. Delicious. Really well thought out, really healthy, ethically produced. Delicious, great restaurant. This place is all about the brunch. It's got fantastic pancakes, really good smoothie bowls, granola, but it's also got some good main meal options as well. You've got burgers, you've got tacos, and they had some great specials. I love this place, I think it's awesome.
The next spot is Comptoir 102, which is a cafe and also a shop. They're focused on healthy eating, healthy living, being sustainable and nourishing your body. And you can feel that vibe throughout the whole place. It's light, it's airy, it's a perfect place for morning breakfast, daytime brunch or lunch. We went for a seaweed pesto. We had a vegan scrambled eggs, which was delicious, and a vegan cheese board made from nuts. Really, really tasty food. Definitely a nice place to hang out and retreat from the hot baking sun of Dubai.
So 2 years ago, we were invited to come to this wonderful restaurant, Sante, and 2 years later, here we are.
Welcome, Bosh.
Hey.
So excited to have you. Hi everyone, this is Manisha. I'm the chef and founder of Sante Cafe. We're a sustainable cafe that's fully vegan, gluten-free, soy-free, sugar-free. Everything is super nutritious for you, and we believe that food is also medicine. So we try to really focus on that. Everything is also locally sourced. So really try to support the local community here. That's Californian fare-based food like tacos, fresh salads, lots of pasta, because who doesn't like pasta, and some really cool smoothies. And yeah, so excited for you guys to come check it out.
So that was Soul Sante, and they sell some fantastic healthy food. You can make your own salad bowl. We had a fantastic lentil omelette and it was delicious. And also Henry had a wonderful grilled cheese. Oh my goodness, fantastic place if you're into healthy vegan grub.
This place is Bounty Beets, which is in the Meridian Hotel. There's 2 of them in Dubai. It's quite outdoors, it's quite beautiful. So a really nice place to go hang out with your mates. Today, we have ordered, what have we ordered? Some gorgeous zucchini tacos with a lovely little nut-based ragu inside that are really, really tasty. And we have also got some delicious sweet potato gnocchi with jackfruit ragu. Quite innovative. Not the kind of thing you'd expect to find in Dubai. Really, really tasty. Loving this place, and the vibes here are awesome. Finally, some proper Levantine cuisine. We have come to the Xva Cafe. This place is an ancient Emirati style restaurant, which means it's in a big stone building designed to keep the heat off in the days before air conditioning. This feels like a taste of old Dubai. Right now in front of us we have got an incredible carrot hummus with some lovely flatbread, which I'm very excited about. We've got fattoush with gorgeous little bits of fried flatbread. Down here we have a tabbouleh. That's one of my favorite dishes, super tangy. And in front of us we have a veg thali. Now I would have said this would be Indian cuisine, but the lovely waiter assured me that this is as much Emirati as it is Indian, and after all of this food kind of comes from the same history anyway. What a gorgeous looking spread of food. So if you're looking for a taste of old world Dubai and some delicious food in a nice place to chill, check out the Xva Cafe.
So here we are at the world's greatest show, also known as Dubai Expo 2020. It is an amazing space. There are so many wonderful pavilions, and each pavilion represents a different. Now, one of the most important things about this show is the focus on sustainability, the future of food, the future of technology, the future of power. And it's important because this is the kind of show that will inspire the next generation to make really good choices. Right, let's go and check out this show. Here we are at the Sustainability Pavilion, and we've come to a restaurant by Matthew Kenny, and also there's some sweet treats in the form of floozied. So that was fun, the Sustainability Pavilion here at Expo 2020. Oh my goodness gracious, Matthew Kenny knows how to make a very good vegan meal.
We had his burger, but the best thing was the sushi. We had these incredible tuna rolls, these California rolls, and also these kind of cream cheese and cucumber rolls. Absolutely gorgeous. An amazing kebab, and also a Bosch classic in the cauliflower buffalo wings.
And now for dessert, this is floozy, stuffed cookies all the way from London, and I have my eye on that pecan one. It looks delicious.